Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about double hashing. In double hashing technique, there is method that only we have to use two hashing technique. Just take normal hashing technique as I have taken in previous video, h of x equal to x mod 10 and second hashing function as r minus x mod r. Here r is prime number at the largest index nearest to largest index. And whole hash function will be our new, due to double hashing, new hash function will be h of x plus I into h2x mod 10, where I value is 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's start how to insert element with help of double hashing. So key space will contain 45, 15, 5, 25, 85. Due to normal hashing, all will due to all collision will be there, but we will use hashing technique, and in this hashing technique we will use double hashing. So with help of double hashing, how this collision will be prevented we will see. First 45 will be normal method, 45 h dash 45 due to above function will be 5, so 45 will map to 5. Okay, no issue, this is no collision, easily it can be mapped. Okay, then again h of 15. Here r value is 7. This is the largest index and nearest to largest index prime number is 7. So r value is 7. So h plus x we will calculate 15 due to first 5 plus 7 minus x is 15 mod 7 with this mod 10. So here r is modified to r is 7 minus x mod 7. Okay, this is the change. Okay, result of the hash function should not be 0 in double hashing, but we have to keep in mind that first thing is result of the hash table should not be 0. We can't take like this and try to cover all index. We have to use like this. So we have to choose this type of function for double hashing, so that result of the hash function should not be 0, and second try to cover all the index. That's why for this I have chosen r minus r mod 10, and r is a prime number, largest prime number near to largest index. Okay, so we will start calculation for that. For h of 15, this will be 5 plus 7 minus 1 mod 10. This will be 11 mod 10, yani ki that means 1. This means 15 will map to 1. Okay, in this way we have to solve. Again I will show you how to find index for mod, how to find index for key space 5. h of, okay, first it will show, we have already seen how it will show for if I value will be 0, then there will be collision. So I will start from 1. Okay, 5 plus 'here see, first if there will be a problem then we will calculate, we will increase I value. Okay, here no issue, directly I have used I value as 0, so no issue. This time we will use I is there, first time I was 0 for 45, this time I is 1. Okay, so 1 into 7 minus 5 mod 7 means 5. Okay, 5 mod 10. This is just simple calculation, nothing else. 5 plus 2 mod 10, that means 7. 5 will map to 7, then 25. Yes. 25. Okay, that means 5 plus, this is I value 1, 7 minus 7, 25 mod 7, wait, 25 mod 7 mod 10. Okay, 5 plus multiplying with 1, no problem, then 7 minus, this will be 4, mod 10, 25 will map to 8. Okay, so 25 will map to 8. This time what we have seen, I value, with help of I value 1 we are able to resolve this. Okay, no collision. Let's check for 85. Is this same case? H dash 85. I value starting, I value will be 1. I am directly calculating 5 into 5 plus 1, 7 minus 1. Okay, mod 10, this is 10. Okay, no need to confusion. This will be 1. Okay, here collision, I value 1 collision, H dash 85, we will see I value we will increase, then 5 plus 2 into 6 mod 10, this will 7. This is also collision, H dash, how we are solving the collision. Okay, 5 plus 3 into 6, I am directly calculating. I have shown the calculation how to solve 3. Here no collision, the 85 will map to 3. So in this way we can solve via double hashing. Oh wait, in double hashing 2 type of function will be given. Using 2 function we have to solve it and resolve the collision. That's all about double hashing. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next video. Thank you.